how you can delete all your messages on Instagram at once. Now, before we start, if you're new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our new videos. Now, let us start. First, open up your Instagram. Now, first what you'll need to do is you need to change your account to a professional account. Now, I'll show you guys how to do that. First, tap on the top right corner or from on your profile section and you'll get to your settings and activity. Now scroll down till you find the account type. Now right here you will see for professionals account types and tools. Now there you will see you will get an option to switch to professional account. Tap on it and you will need to go through this process. Now just tap on continue and just tap on what type of professional account you want it to be and just press on continue. Now just wait till it gets loads, and here you can see you can either choose yourself to become a creator or you can just choose to become a business. I'm just gonna tap on creator and you can now set up a professional account. Now after you've changed your profile into a professional account, what you can do is you can directly go to the DMs now, and after you're on your DMs you will see an option on the top right that says that looks like lines with dots. Now just tap on it and now you can select all of the DMs that you want to delete. Just select all and then tap on delete and confirm the delete, and there you go, all of your DMs have been deleted. It's really that simple, guys. That is all for the video. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.